Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of Gold Price Prediction. This is our forecast for the gold spot market for Tuesday, the 14th of April 2026. Before we start, this is an invitation for you to join us in our free Telegram room. The link is in the pinned message and the description of this video. Also, you can consider leveling up your game and joining us on our interactive trading room, which is a space created for serious traders. With us, you will get trading signals and setups with high accuracy. Accuracy is not in a question. You will get market reports and get also, most importantly, the commentary that goes with you all around the trading session, keeps you one step ahead of what's happening in the market. If you want to join us, drop us a message on the WhatsApp number. We'll get back to you and process your joining immediately. Starting with the numbers, last closing price could be around $4,740 per ounce. The low today was $4,644 per ounce and the high was $4,750 per ounce. The market is still open, so the high could change. On the 4-hour chart, what we could say, okay, that the market have opened today with a gap down because of the blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, which was decided by the United States after the negotiations in Islamabad failed to reach a peace treaty between USA and Iran. So the market gap down $70. Then we started to see some recovery all the way up to $4,750 per ounce. Now, this market is very sensitive to what's happening in the Middle East, because if the energy prices goes up, this will create a situation which is not nice for gold, because this means the Fed has to fight the inflation that is created by the high energy prices. So this situation is not fruitful for gold. That's for this part. Please stay with us for the trading strategy.
You don't want to miss what's next.
Let's check what's driving the markets in the next session and this week. The economic calendar is up next.
On the economic calendar for the upcoming week from 13th till 17th of April 2026, the market mainly will focus on two major headlines. We have the existing home sales and we have the PPI. These are the most important two headlines throughout the week. Let's say it's a light week in terms of fundamentals, but we focus on the news from the Middle East.
Being inside the market as it moves, not only watching, you are participating. Welcome to the Goldcoach Interactive Trading Room, a private space where traders get live setups and real-time answers from the experts. This is interaction, not a signals group. Daily reports, constant updates, and insights that keep you ahead. Join now for just $100 a month.
Cut your losses immediately. Join us and experience the market the way pros do.
Win every single trade with Goldcoach Trading Advisory.
If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, that's almost criminal. Last station, traders, stick around and let's see how we're going to play this one.
Welcome back to the trading strategy. Before we start, this is an invitation again for you to consider joining us on our free Telegram room. The link is in the pinned message and the description of this video. Also, you can check out our premium product, the interactive trading room. Starting with the trading strategy, the expected range is going to be between 4,400 to the downside, 4,800 to the upside. The most important number is 4,800 throughout the week. A close above this figure, either 4 hours chart or 1 day chart, much better. But if you get a close, this means the bulls got the full control of the market and they are going to push the price higher into $5,000 per ounce ultimately. Now this market, in my simple description, I would say it's a cautious bull, not a panic bear. This is still, we are not in the panic sell situation. It's bulls, but they are cautious about the market. Now, if I'm a buyer in this market, I could buy on the market. It's clapping up to 3,000, up to 4,750, 4,770. I can buy at 4,700 or 4,650. If I'm a seller in this market, I will look immediately. 4,750 is the ceiling now, then 4,780, and then we could see a move to the upside up to 4,820. Only when the market closes above $4,800 per ounce on a daily basis, this will give you an indication that the bulls took control of the trend and they are going to push the market in, let's say, some sort of a significant move towards $5,000 per ounce. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe.
You feel it, don't you? That pulse when gold starts to move. What if you could sense every shift before the world reacts? Before anyone else is aware, you are already in the perfect setup. Step into the Goldcoach interactive room where trading isn't luck, it's accuracy and timing. Real-time signals, sharp analysis, and non-stop commentary. Noise. This is clarity. It's Goldcoach interactive trading room. Win every single trade with Goldcoach Trading Advisory.